Hello, my name is Nina Haley, and I'm a prenatal and postnatal yoga teacher here at Tru Yoga in Salmiya, Kuwait. Congratulations on your pregnancy and welcome to this practice of prenatal pranayama and meditation. So throughout this practice, you'll be resting in Queen's chair and we'll be utilizing lotus mudra or Padma mudra. So for this mudra, you bring the thumbs together, the pinkies together, and then the base of the hands come together as the ring finger, the middle finger, and the index fingers are all spread and open. So you can decide how wide you'd like for your lotus mudra to be, but this is what we'll be using throughout this meditative practice. So from your nice supported reclining position, making sure that there's no discomfort in the lower back, your legs can go however is the most comfortable for you. So you can take your feet and bring them up on the bolster into Baddha Konasana legs, or you can always bend your knees and just bring your feet to the bolster, or again, you can just place that bolster underneath of your knees, whatever feels more comfortable for you. So I'm going to flip my blocks here to give me a little bit more height, and then bringing your thumbs and your pinkies together in that lotus mudra, bringing the base of the hands together here. So wherever your hands are most comfortable, whether they're just resting over top of your belly, or whether you have them at the heart, or wherever you'd like them, and just holding those nice open lotus mudra hands, and beginning to settle into the rhythm of the breath, being aware of the inhales and the exhales, inhaling through your nose, and exhaling through either the mouth or the nose, whichever is more natural, easy, and comfortable for you. Relaxing through your shoulders, releasing any tension in the jaw, making sure that there's space between the back teeth, the molars, softening the lips, the muscles of the face, the eyelids, the brow. With each inhale, softening, and with each exhale, relaxing. Inhaling all the way up to the top of the inhales, and exhaling all the way down to the bottom of the exhales. Becoming more and more aware of the natural rhythm of the breath. Noticing how the belly bulges forward or expands on the inhales, and how there's a gentle contraction on the exhales. Beginning to deepen and lengthen the inhalations and the exhalations. Noticing that fullness of the breath. Softening on the inhales and relaxing on the exhales. And now on the inhales alone, or taking your awareness to the inhales alone, and noticing a sense of lightness on the inhales, as if the body was floating up towards the ceiling. And then taking the awareness to the exhales alone, so that on each and every exhale, there's a sense of heaviness in the body, as if the bones of the body were sinking down into the earth. And then being aware of both of those sensations together. And then allowing yourself to let go of those sensations. As you inhale up to the very top of the inhale, notice a space or a pause before the breath turns into an exhale. Following that exhale all the way down to the bottom and noticing a space or a pause before the breath turns back into an inhalation. Again, noticing that space or pause at the top of the inhale. Watching the breath as it turns and following the breath all the way down to the bottom of the exhale. Again, just observing that space or pause before the breath turns. Being aware of this circle of breath or cycle of breath. The inhalation. The turning of the breath. The exhalation. And the space where the breath turns again. Continue following this cycle of breath, this circle of flowing breath. Observing the breath as it moves in and out of the body. Sharing each breath with your baby. Sharing the breath of life with your baby. Allowing the breath to guide you deeper into a sense of relaxation, rest and connection with your womb space. And then taking your awareness to your lotus mudra, making sure that the thumbs are touching, the pinkies are touching, the base of the hands are touching, and the other 6 fingers are extended. Imagine that this lotus mudra is a cup. And with each and every breath, you are filling this cup or this chalice with attributions or attributes that you would like as a mother. And even if you already are a mother, there are ways that we can always improve ourselves. So what are some things that you desire for yourself as a mother? Whether it's patience, joy, peace, tranquility, love, compassion. With each breath, fill your cup. Allowing your chalice to fill. Allowing yourself to receive. With each breath, filling your cup until your cup is overflowing. Nice deep inhales and exhales. What qualities would you like to possess? What kind of mother would you like to be? to your unborn child. Each breath fills your cup. Each breath brings you closer to being this person that you desire to be to your unborn child. Taking as much time as you need, breathing and filling your cup. You decide how long you'd like to be here. And once you feel as though your cup is full and overflowing, lifting your lotus hands up above you, separating your hands and allowing all of those qualities and attributes to run down over your body, receiving into the mind, into the heart space, into the womb space. Allow that cup to pour over you. And then releasing the left hand to the heart and the right hand to the womb space, fully receiving. Breathing into the heart center, breathing into the womb space. Allowing yourself to become the person, the mother, the parent that you wish to be. Staying here with this breath. For as long as it's comfortable for you. And then whenever you're ready to come out, rolling yourself to your side, taking one elbow and forearm to the floor, turning yourself to the side, using your arms for support, and gently pressing yourself up. Taking that left hand back to the heart and the right hand back to the womb space. Giving gratitude, blessings, and thanks for your beautiful and amazing body, for this day and for this life. This practice of prenatal pranayama and meditation is complete. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you for joining me, and I wish you a wonderful day.